You know how you can wirelessly transmit audio? Well, guess what? You can also do video. Let's look at this product. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host, Matthew. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Llano S850 wireless HD transmitter and receiver kit. This is a Type-C kit right here that does HDMI video, and it does it at 4K resolution, which is awesome. But as you know, in every episode of Good Tech Cheap, we do a full unboxing and review. So let's get into it. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. Today we're going to take a look at this S850 Llano wireless HD transmitter and receiver kit. Packaging looks fantastic right here. Very nice. All the info you really need. Let's go ahead and open it up. One of the first things you see in the box is this little document right here, which is just kind of giving you info on how to set it up. It's kind of like your quick start guide right here. So very nice, important. Then we have our user manual right here. And as you see, this thing is in color, which is awesome. It's always super great to see these in color. It just makes your life that much easier. It comes in multiple different languages, so don't worry. Very, very nice. I believe this is a Korean company, so super cool right there. Got this USB-C cable right here, and this thing is really cool. This is a female to male USB-C cable. So it looks like it could be some kind of extension kit for it, but wow, that's super cool that this is included. Next thing is this USB-A to USB-C cable. Again, very nice that they're including these cables right here. This one's got a nice amount of length on it, so very cool. Looks like this one's going to be important for the setup. Wow, these are nice. These look like they're gold-plated ends on them, so a very high-quality HDMI cable to get for free in your box. This is just such a smart design right here that they can clip into one another. It just makes traveling with it that much easier, and as you see, they kind of expect you to do that. When we pop them apart, what we're going to see is this little slot right here, which is just part of the mounting system, and then we're going to have our USB-C cable right here. We've got another USB-C to plug it up to charge it, and we've got our HDMI. So this should be the receiver, this should be the transmitter, but what's special about this is you can just plug this into the TV and not use this technically and be able to Apple. And once you do that, you'll be able to Apple transmit into this or Google Chrome into this or whatever and take advantage of the Wi-Fi wireless HDMI directly off your device. But if you have a device that needs to manually do it, you can plug it in with this. So let's go ahead and plug it up and try it out. This is the Llano S850 upgraded Type-C wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver. Wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver with the latest upgraded technology. This comes with two connection modes for 90% of devices, and in addition to the traditional transmitter receiver mode. Llano HDMI wireless products have a new feature that makes mirroring easy with just the receivers. Simpler and easier to use the receiver mode and simply connect the receiver and the mirror without a transmitter. Simply enough for anyone to use immediately. The transmitter/receiver mode is simple to connect when you connect the receiver to your TV or monitor and the transmitter to the device, and it'll sync up automatically. Plug and Play, the wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver, offers true plug and play functionality without the need for messy cables or Wi-Fi or apps, Bluetooth or complicated setups. This Bluetooth HDMI easily connects to devices in seconds, while the Llano wireless HDMI technology ensures zero latency for smoother operation in a tidy workspace while delivering seamless high-quality streaming. Llano HDMI Ultra HD quality. The wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver supports dual-band chips, that's 5G and 2.4G, at 1080p/60Hz Ultra HD output for an exceptional visual experience for learning, meetings, family gatherings, and gaming. Please note that if your computer is out of power or unable to power the HD device, please plug the transmitter power supply into an adapter or micro power power connector. The power supply requires a 5V/2 amps charging head. 165 feet/50 meters of wireless transmission. The wireless HDMI transmission distance is up to 165 feet with 5G/2.4G transmission for stronger and more stable signal. Smoother video and reliable connection even through walls or obstacles. But please note, if HDMI wireless transmission passes through a wall or encounters an obstacle, the transmission distance and speed may be affected. Charge while you use. Solving the problem of traditional wireless HDMI products, the new Type-C charging port allows you to charge smartphones, laptops, and more while using them without the need for external power sources. Wireless mirroring and extended display. The wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver can mirror or extend the screen as needed. If you can easily project content from your laptop, camera, or TV setup onto an HD TV, projector, or monitor for versatile experience. If you want to cast the screen directly from your mobile phone, you can use directly Bluetooth connection mode. Patented design and unrivaled lightweight. The patented exterior design features a luxurious metallic plastic finish. The ultra lightweight body weighs only 48.9 grams, making it easy to carry around. In addition, it can be quickly attached to your bag or wrist with the included strap. Whether you're commuting, traveling, or just out and about, it's comfortable to use on the go. The lightness and the convenience of this device can be experienced immediately. A couple quick tips for the usage instructions. After connecting the HDMI cable, the receiver must be plugged into a power source to operate. It will not function without the power. Should you encounter any issues during use, please do not hesitate to contact Llano. I gotta say, this thing is awesome. It's super easy and simple to use, and it just makes your life that much better. Great job, Llano. This is our first time working with Llano, and I gotta say, this thing is incredible. As you know, over here at Good Tech Cheap, we have reviewed wireless HDMI transmitters in the past, but this is probably the sleekest one we've reviewed yet. It's so nice and compact. The design on it is just mwah! We want to give a huge shout out to Llano for sponsoring this video. You can find all their links down below. Don't forget, I've been today's host, Matthew, and you've been watching Good Tech Cheap. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next review. Bye!